Well, as we all know, temperatures have been up and down lately, and unfortunately that roller coaster causes allergies to flare up sooner than expected. So there are some ways to get a sneeze-free season. Dr. Pramod Kalkar, a board-certified allergy specialist at Allina Health, is here to help us. Thank you so much for joining us, Doctor.
Thank you, and good morning.
You were saying 50 degrees. That's sort of the steady threshold when we really see things pop. Could elaborate on that?
Yeah, that's right. Typically about 50-degree temperature, we start seeing patients coming more and more. Right now we are just seeing a trickle of patients. But with warmer temperatures throughout the winter, you know, we won't be surprised if this goes down as one of the toughest allergy seasons for allergy sufferers. So let's all be prepared for an awful allergy season.
Oh, that is not what allergy sufferers want to hear. We've heard plenty of sneezes going around home and the workplace right now. What are the first things that we see pop that people might be allergic to that will be the first thing that will cause problems this spring?
The tree pollens. The tree pollens are the first one to come in springtime, and we have started seeing some juniper, poplar. We'll get maple, elm, and oak.
Okay.
That will be followed by grass season, summer, and the fall season will be ragweed.
And you brought several items with you here today because, of course, it's been so long since we've been able to really open up the house and get air circulating through. And a lot of the hidden triggers are right inside our home.
That's correct. I want the viewers to know about the common hidden triggers inside the house. Fan, it can collect a lot of dust, and then mold and some of the pollen, and depending on the location of the fan, you know, pet dander.
Yep.
Pillows, the same thing. Laptops, they tend to collect a lot of dust on their surfaces. Decorative pillows, stuffed animals, they can all harbor the dust. And also the pet dander, don't ignore the pet dander. So cleaning is an important part of prevention.
We think of that as spring cleaning, some of the curtains and the decorative pillows. Is it important to really do it more than once a year?
I would definitely do more than once a year. But whenever you do the cleaning, if you are an allergy sufferer, make sure you're taking proper precautions. Maybe wear a mask, or maybe get help from some other family members who are not allergic.
What are some other precautions that people could take?
Some other precautions people can take is they can use sinus rinse, which is an over-the-counter treatment called neti pot by some to flush out the nose and sinuses. If the pollen count is high, and if you play outdoors and come back inside, try to take a shower so all the pollen is washed away.
And it's important to point out, I'm lucky enough to not really be a allergy sufferer, but that doesn't necessarily mean you are exempt, because they can come on at any age.
That's right. You just asked me before the interview, do I have allergies? And I said, not until now, but I can develop at any point in time. So just because you did not have allergies as a child does not mean you will never have allergies. We can develop them at any point in life.
Is it hopeful, maybe I'll ask this hopeful for the allergy sufferers out there, can you do the reverse? If you're an allergy sufferer younger in life, can you move away from it?
They can, but common.
Okay.
More commonly people will develop allergies. Uncommonly they will go away.
So you might be stuck with it if you're one of those.
Usually.
All right, thank you, doctor. We appreciate it very much, your insight from Allina Health.